Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and today we are going to be painting what?
A squid.
A squid. Those things are awesome. What do we need to paint a squid?
We need pink, orange, black, and white.
Okay, let's get to it. Okay.
Pasta.
So first off, we're going to start with like the main body, and that's going to be right here. And it's going to be kind of like a triangle with rounded corners. Something like that. Okay, good. And then what we're going to do is his tentacles, and those are going to start here. So stick with me on this. So it's going to be kind of an up, and then back.
And you can make your tentacles however you want.
That's right. Okay, good. And then we're going to do another one right here. And the idea is to kind of make them the same like width. Like they'll be a little bit thicker, but try and make them a little kind of parallel.
They're deep sea creatures. Right?
These are deep sea creatures. And you'll find them in the shallows too sometimes. Okay, and then we're going to do another one, and this one is going to go this way. This. Good. All right. And we're going to do another one. It's going to go this way.
Around town.
Good. Okay, and the last one down here, we'll do something like this. All right, good. Okay, and then they also have like these really long ones. So we're gonna have some really long ones. First off,
they have the suction cups. They're like skinny, and then they have like a hand.
Yes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make one of those tentacles up here. So first off, let's just start with the okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to make that look like it's coming from behind somewhere. That's why we want to do this first. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this. Everybody's going to be a little different for this one because of how your arms are going to be, and that's fine. Okay. And then same here. It's going to come down. And mine's going to go behind this one and this one.
Do squids squirt ink?
They do, actually. They do. It's a defense mechanism when they're being attacked or they're scared. They'll shoot ink as kind of like a distraction for the predator. Okay, and now we're going to do another one right here because they have two of these tentacles. Good. And then this one, again, come down here. It's going to go behind them. Like that.
We're drawing this because of my friend. We play a video game together, and we catch squids together.
You catch squid in your video game?
Colossals.
Okay, great. All right, and then the last thing that we're going to do is up here, and so squid have kind of like these fins that help guide them through the water. They're like their steering wheel. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Like that.
Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring our squid to life.
Okay.
Alright, we are back from fast forward, and I just want to talk about the colors that we used a
Okay.
little.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
So, we did some of the black to do like some dots for the suction cups on for the squid.
For the tentacles, yep.
And we colored the body in orange, so it's these long tentacles, and then we did this pink, and we gave it some highlights for like gloss.
Yeah, give them like a little shiny look.
And we also did eyeballs, the tongue, and another eyeball.
Well, what else do we have to do?
Sign our picture!
All right. Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us again for another creation on Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your squid, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye for now.